9 ways to make money on TikTok by watching videos and more. Sign up for Mojo Teams and start creating professional content for all your business needs. TikTok is super important to grow your business. But what if there was a way to monetize your TikTok account? In this post, we're going to list 9 ways you can make money on TikTok by watching videos or creating content. In honor of transparency, we'll also give you insight into how much you can actually make on TikTok with these methods. But hey, why do something for $0 when you could earn even a few extra bucks per week? 9 ways to make money on TikTok. These methods can help boost your brand awareness and reward you for sitting on your phone watching videos during your downtime. #1-go live and get gifts. We have a whole post about how to go live on TikTok, but you can also make money directly during those lives. To go live and receive gifts from viewers, you have to meet these criteria. You are over 18 years old. You have more than 1,000 followers. Once these requirements are met, people viewing your videos can purchase coins and gift them to you. These coins can be cashed out for real money. How much money? Making money off TikTok live gifts can vary. If you have a huge audience during your live and they love what you're doing, you could potentially make a lot of money. Since the viewers dictate how many coins they want to send you, the sky's the limit here. #2-watch TikTok on other apps. There are countless apps that allow you to watch TikTok videos and make money through their app. Some ask for your input on their content, and others pay you based on how many videos you watch. Apps like Swagbucks and Coinbase may be good places to start. However, more apps are coming out with similar income-earning opportunities. How much money? While you typically don't earn a lot with these apps, it can add up over time. Some of these apps have a cash-out or a gift card option. But where you can really make money is through referral links. #3-apply for the TikTok Creator Fund. As the name suggests, the TikTok Creator Fund is for accounts that put out great content and elevate the platform. It allows users to create amazing videos and get compensated. To get a piece of the TikTok Creator Fund, you have to meet the following requirements. You must be at least 18 years old. You must be based in the US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, or Italy. You need at least 10,000 followers. You must have had at least 100,000 views within the last 30 days. You must create content that aligns with the community guidelines and terms of service. How much money? Wondering how much does TikTok pay? Payout is determined by number of views, amount of engagement, and other factors. Sometimes it equates to only a few cents. However, really successful TikTok accounts see the dollar signs add up. #4-promote audio and get paid. Audio promotion is a little-known way to make money on TikTok. Audio companies, bands, and music labels are always looking for ways to promote their new songs or sound effects. You can pitch these companies to use their songs or sound effects in your videos. How much money? We're not talking about cents on the dollar here. If you can explain the potential exposure that a song can get if it's used in your videos, you can name your price. Audio companies will pay big bucks if they know their song will be heard by thousands of people. Conduct product reviews. You already may be highlighting your own products and services on TikTok. Great! You can also be compensated by other brands to do product reviews of their stuff. For example, Mojo is a DIY video creation app that allows video sharing to other platforms. We could do a product review about another app that calculates when is the best time to post on TikTok based on your target audience. Both of these apps would be helpful for our followers. How much money? The payout will vary, but certain brands will pay up if you have the right target audience. To bring the most value to your own following, review products that complement rather than compete with your own products. Enroll in TikTok rewards. TikTok has a referral program where you share referral links for a TikTok download. You and the people you invite can earn rewards by watching videos and referring more people. How much money? The more points you earn, the more money you can get. In general, 1,000 points will earn you about $5 in gift cards. 3,000 points will earn you about $15 in gift cards. Create exclusive paid content. Monetize your TikTok followers by nurturing them with great content. Then, funnel them off the platform to digital products. For example, you could host a free workshop via TikTok Live and then encourage them to purchase your paid product via a link. Your free workshop is just a drop in the bucket of what they'll get with your paid products. How much money? Courses, workshops, and other digital products can bring in six figures if done correctly. Again, the sky's the limit. Get sponsored. Companies are always looking for TikTok influencers to promote their products, and maybe your account fits the bill. But don't wait for companies to come to you. Investigate which products would best complement your niche. How much money? Depending on how big of an impact you could make on the sponsor's business, you could rake in one OOS or one OOS. Establish multiple sponsorship levels with tiered pricing. Engage in affiliate marketing. If you're thinking about making money on TikTok via affiliate marketing, there are a few critical things you have to do to preserve your brand integrity.